Hello dear students, welcome to the online education of class 6 science. In the previous class, I discussed about the lesson body movements. In that, I discussed about the kinds of movements in earthworm as well as snail. So dear friends, in today's class, let us discuss about the kind of movement in birds as well as fish. Okay. So firstly, let us discuss about the kind of movement in birds. So as you all know the birds, okay, so variety kinds of birds you will see in your day-to-day life, right? So when you are coming on the road nearby your house, in the forest, okay, so birds are of different types, different colors, okay, so it's a nice, wonderful gift of nature for these creatures. So what are those birds? How they take the moment? Okay, that we will study in today's class. See, most of the birds, they fly in the air and walk in the ground. So as you know that, so most of the birds, they fly in the air. Okay, so they have the wings, so hence they fly in the air. So fewer times they walk on the ground in order to get the grains or for food, right? So wherever they find the food, suppose on nearby houses and all on the land side, so just they while flying they come down and they catch the the grains from the place, again they go high in the air. They start flying and sit on the tree and have their food, right? So most of the birds fly in the air and walk on the ground. So some birds, they swim in the water. So some of the birds, even they swim in the water. For example, duck, swan. Okay. So these birds, they cannot fly. Okay. So they just swim in the water and get the food as the creatures, the small creatures which are found in the water. So even one more bird we have, that is peacock. Okay, peacock is also one of the bird. So it also feeds on small organisms, small creatures. Okay, as their food. They can fly up to some height, not as high as the normal birds. So peacocks can fly only for up to some height. Okay. So now there are some birds in the bird group. There are some birds which cannot fly at all. Okay. So such birds are also present. Okay. So here, so birds, why can they fly? So what is the specialty that the birds can fly? Why can't we fly? So there is a reason for that. Why only the birds can fly? So there is one scientific reason behind that. So birds can fly because their body is very much well suited for the flight. Means for flying. So their body is much suitable for the flying. So that is why the birds are made possible to fly in the air. So why it is so? Why their body is suitable for flying? So the reason is this one. Their body is made of bones. So the bones are hollow and light. So very important here. The bones of these birds are hollow. Hollow means, so you will get the idea. See, empty pipe or empty plastic pipe. So if you see, so it is hollow. Inside it's totally empty, no? So like that. So a hollow means empty. Bones are there. So inside complete it is empty. It's very light. Okay, bones are hollow, not filled up with any heavy material. So as well as there is nothing inside. So they are very lightweight. So easily that will help for the flight. So that's why the bones of these birds are hollow as well as light in weight. Hence they can fly. Next one. So bones of the hind limbs. Hind limbs means back limbs. Bones of the hind limbs are typical for walking. See, the two legs the birds have, that we call them as hind limbs. Okay. So bones of the hind limbs, they are typical for walking and perching. The bones which are present at the hind limbs, they are typical, means suitable for what? Walking as well as perching. Perching means in order to perch, get the fruit. So perching and in order to break open the fruit and take the seeds, like that. So in order to perch as well as walking. So to walk on the ground, the bones are very much suitable of the hind limbs. Okay, for walking. So they walk on the ground. Just they go on jumping and walk on the ground to get the grains. And also perching. See, sometimes even birds can get some dead animal is there. So small, that part of that animal, dead animal, it gets by perching, right? So like that. So both are done with the help of bones of the hind limbs. So what about the forelimbs? So forelimbs are modified as swings. See, hind limbs is nothing but their legs. Okay, forelimbs is nothing but their wings. Okay, so forelimbs are modified or converted into wings. So this is one. So next one, shoulder bones. The shoulder bones of the birds, they are strong. See, the shoulder bones are very much strong. So breast bones are modified. The breast bones are modified to hold muscles of flight. See, the breast bones are very much modified to hold the muscles of flight. Means with the muscles which help for the flying. So wings. The muscles are presented in the wings. So that we call them as breast bones. They are presented there. So those breast bones are modified to hold the muscles of flight, which are used to move wings up and down. See, that during the movement you can see the up and down movements will be done by the wings. The wings are attached with the bones and muscles. Okay, so muscles of flight. Okay, the wings, which muscles are present, they are very much used, very much helpful to move the wings up and down. So only the muscles which are present at that place, so they help for the making movement of the wings up and down. So this is all about the what? The special characteristics or features of birds that will be helpful for the movement. Okay, so dear students, I hope you have understood this concept. Okay, so now we can go for next concept here. So that is fish. How the movement of fish takes place here. So that we will see here. The body of the fish, it's almost like what? Like a boat. So here I can give the for example for birds. See, the aeroplanes what we have nowadays, they are all framed in such a manner like a bird only. So bird has such shape, in such manner only the aeroplanes have been made. Okay, in their shape only, in order to move forward by just making the air to break open and move. Means by pushing the air, they should go through the air, right? So like that, the aeroplanes are made in the shape of birds. The same manner, based on the fish, the ships are made. Ships and boats are made. See, have you seen the ships and boats like a square shape? Never. So they will be having the shape of what? Fish. Okay. So what makes the fish to swim in the water or to move in the water, to make the movement of fish in the water easy? See, the body of the fish tapers at both ends. Okay, so if you see the diagram here, this is the shape of the fish. So the body tapers at both ends. Tapers means pointed. At both ends, the body tapers, and in the middle, it is bunched. So this shape is called, we call it as streamlined body shape. So this body shape is called streamlined body shape. Means at the both ends it is pointed, in the middle it is bunch. So this body shape of fish is the streamlined body shape we see. Right. So next one it is, look at here. Skeleton of fish is covered with strong muscles. Okay. See, it is very, very important. The skeleton of fish is covered with very strong muscles. Okay, so strong muscles are present in the skeleton of the fish. That's why they can go through the water very easily and quickly. So during swimming, this is very, very important. So during swimming, how the fish moves through the water, this is very, very important. Look at it. The muscles make the front part of the body curve to one side. See, suppose this is the fish, like that. Like this kind of movement takes place here. The muscles make the front part of the body to curve one side, curve to one side. So what happens here? The muscles make the front part of the body, this front part of the body, curve to one side. So one side, the front part will curve. What about the rear part, that is tail part? The tail part swing towards opposite side. See, once the front side curve to one side, the tail part swing towards opposite side, like that. Suppose. Like that, opposite side, right? So this is the movement. Next, the fish forms a curve quickly. So one curve is quickly, it is formed here. So and body and tail curve to the other side. So body one side and curve, tail one side. So they curve to the other side. Okay, body one side and tail part one side. So this is front and tail part. So they curve to one side, other side. So this makes the jerk. By doing so, a jerk is given to the fish. Means like a push it is given. Like a fish jerk is given, but a push. So by movement of the front part and tail part of the fish, it gives a jerk to the fish. Means push to the fish. So hence it pushes the body forward. It's like a applying force. it makes or it pushes the body, towards forward direction. Okay, so a series of such jerks make the fish to swim ahead. Like a continuous series of such jerks makes the fish to swim forward, forward or ahead. Okay, so fins help to do this. So to make this jerk or a kind of movement, series of jerks to make the fish to move forward. So which are going to help? So the fins are going to do this. Okay, so dear students, so you might be knowing the fish have variety kinds of fins on their body. So only the fins, some fins, they help for jerks, means series of jerks to make to move forward. Whereas there are some flips or fins, we call them, which are present on their body. So they are helpful to maintain the balance of the body while swimming. Okay, so during swimming, the body maintenance are also very, very important. See, you also think about yourself. So when you are walking on the ground, so on the land, so you have to maintain your body balance, right? In the same manner, the fish body is balanced based on on the some kinds of fins which are present on it. Okay, so dear students, in today's class, we have understood the kind of movement in birds and also the kind of movement in fish. Okay, I hope you have understood this concept. So make a points of the concept which you have understood. Okay, so that it will be helpful for your exam or your revision, everything. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.